Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have a few hauls to share with you guys. First I'm going to start with Dollar Tree. So I picked up one more of these jars. They're so pretty for my buttons. And I needed to separate one more color, well, 3 more colors. And I think once I get my calyx and I put these on top, I think it'll look pretty on top too with the different colors. So I picked that up, and they only had 2 left, so. Then I picked up these tiny clothespins. Cute. You can do so much with those. And then I picked up some magic tape. I need to wrap some stuff up for somebody. And then, this isn't craft related, but in case you're looking, they have this at the Dollar Tree, so I grabbed me one of these. That's a really good buy. And then also, I had picked this up, and not for makeup, but it's like, kind of like a spatula. Like, I'm gonna use it for texture paste and stuff, or my cat's going crazy, or gel or whatever when I use my stencils. I thought this would be a perfect tool. They have one, I don't know the name of the tool, but they have one in mixed media that they use that looks similar to this. It's a little bit bigger, I think, but this will work just fine for $1, so I grabbed that. And then I found these socks. They're so cute. So I grabbed a pair. You know that I love socks, so I got these watermelon ones. So stinking cute. So grabbed those. And then I grabbed this really pretty flower to use when I'm taking my pictures of my cards. I thought it was so pretty. It's a clip, but I'm not going to use it like that, but it's so pretty. They had it in different colors, and it's right by where they had them hanging where they had the signs. And then I picked up some more of these sunflowers. I love sunflowers, so yeah, I grabbed 2 more of these. And then at the one I had went to, I found some more of the wood. I'm going to share some, but also I wanted doubles of some of them. So here's the cups with the cream. And I'm going to alter them. And here's some pumpkins. And then the foxes. And then I got the acorns. And then I found some stickers. I found this, I thought it was so cute. It says lucky and happy. They look like they have fabric on them, but I don't think it is. But I'm not sure. It's really cute. And then I found these pumpkins. Now cheetah print is so stinking cute on the pumpkin. I love it. And some of them are flat and then some have dimension. Cute. And then I got another one of these for somebody. And then I found some napkins. I found them in this size. I thought these were so pretty. And then I found them in this size. So I figured if I could do a card, either a slimline or a regular card. Or you can use them for, you know, decoupaging on something. So that's all I got from the Dollar Tree. Then I did an order on eBay. I was looking everywhere for this die, and I finally found one on eBay. It's called, it's by Sizzix. Tim Holtz. It's called Fresh Baked No. 2. and I got it for a good deal, so I was pretty happy. But it comes to where they don't have faces or anything. You can add all this on for the Gingis, and then they have the candy cane, the Christmas tree, and the stocking also. Yeah, and this one's called Fresh Baked number 2, and they have a number 1 also. But that one's different. It doesn't have the gingerbreads, and I wanted the Gingis. So pretty happy about that. Then I went to Joann, and I picked up this Tulip Matte Dimensional Fabric Paint in Snowcap White, and I plan on using it on the gingerbreads. I think I saw Jill do this. I think that was you, Jill. And I want to try it out because I told you I was having a hard time finding like paint pen. So I'm wondering if this is what she used that will work. I hope so. And the only other thing that I picked up there, I was looking for some more bells. And this was the smallest that they had. These were only 99 cents. And you get 18. So I got them in gold. And then the last time I got some other colors, but they didn't have any more. They were like all gone. So next I did some shopping on Marketplace, and I found some good deals. So I found, this is all from the same seller. First she was selling these two as a grouping. They're penny black. This one's called Christmas Express. Look at her in the truck. That is so stinking cute. And there's a cat and a dog. Joy, Christmas Express. There's a Christmas tree, a gift, some holly with holly berries. There's her with a candy cane, another gift, and a star for the tree. That'll be so cute. And then there's some ornaments and some other stars. And then this one says Merry Christmas and Let It Snow. And there's Mimi. Oh, it's Christmas with Mimi. I don't know what his name is. And then there's a snowman with some snowballs. There's her with a penguin. There's her ice skating. And there's her with a little halo. And she's like a fairy. And she's on top of the gifts. I thought that was so cute. And then the lady was also selling this one called Garden Friends. And I loved it. Look at the bee down here with the little hedgehogs peeking out from the flowers. And there's a ladybug, and there's the hedgehog again with some flowers on them. There's a basket with a bird. Here is a mouse coming out of some lettuce with some butterflies. And then here is a bunny with some butterflies, and she's holding a hat with some flowers on it. And then here's a chick popping out from an egg. It says spring is here. And here's a shovel and a bunny and a bird holding a rose and a butterfly, and it's another rose down here. And there's a hedgehog on a swing of a vine of roses. And then there are 4 chicks. So cute. I love it. Then the next thing I got was unbelievable. So I was just searching around rubber stamps and everything, and then this one lady had a table that she had full of stamps, and it was a picture. And so I clicked on it, and I saw Peachy Keen stamps. And she had everything on the table for $3, guys. So I got, and they were all brand new. So I got this one's called Laffy Taffy Face Assortment for $3. And it's brand new. So you know how they're hiking up the prices on eBay to like $55 or more. So I was so lucky. And then I got this one called Blushing Bride Interchangeable Faces. So I feel pretty blessed that I found this lot, brand new. And then I found the Everyday Character Face Assortment. This one's really cute. And that one is also brand new. So I don't know if the lady just didn't know what she could have got for him, or if she didn't care, or what. But so I got those for $9 plus shipping. And then I bought this set from another seller. I got some peg stamps. Well, she sent this also, and I'm not even for sure what it is. I think it's fishing lures. That's what I think it is. So I got that. So I got stamps by Judith. That's what I was looking for. I got the tree, which I already have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm sending this one to BFF Tina Bean, because she doesn't have it and she's been buying the pigs. So if you're interested, this one is S13 by Judith. Okay, and let me show you all the pigs I got. And I don't remember exactly what I paid for this one, but it was a good deal. So let me show you the pigs. I'll show you a little at a time. So I got these. So I got the love you, a saw, a bird, a dragonfly, and this cute little chicken. So stinking cute. So I got those. Okay, then I got these. I got the cupcake, a hammer, a graduation diploma, and a little, I don't know if that's a fly or if it's a gnat, but it's a little one, because I also got a big one I'm about to show you. And then I got these. So I got, I think this is a balloon. A baby bottle, a chick, and a graduation cap. And then the last ones I got, one of them I'm not sure who it's by. I think it's a Stamps by Judith because of the way it looks, but it doesn't say on the side, so that's why I'm wondering. But I got the sheep. I got this little star snowflake, a present, and the big flea or gnat or whatever that is, fly. And then I got this heart. So I did really well. So thanks y'all guys for watching. If you're still interested in entering, there's still time for the giveaway. Just let me know, send me an email. I'll put my email down in the description box. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.